Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your gender on your Daraz account. So we're going to change our account info. So first we're going to go to the app, then click on the account section. Then again click on the settings button on the top right corner. Then here we're going to click on account information on the top. So as you can see there's the gender option. So we're going to click on it and select the gender you want. So once you select it, it's going to save it automatically for you. So this is how you set your gender. Now you could go back to your shopping. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.